Under special conditions, when installing or moving the penetrator unit to a different network, setting the new network values may also require changing the preconfigured DNS servers. To simplify reconfiguration, if accessing the web interface is not possible until the DNS servers have been reconfigured, a new function has been added to the system console. The new function is available under option 16 of the menu. To reconfigure DNS, type 16 in the menu and press enter. Then type the IP address of the primary and the secondary DNS servers. And then press enter. The DNS configuration is in a separate function from IP settings because it is generally used less frequently.